Hi everyone, welcome! Today we're diving into an important topic, how to detect hidden cameras. Have you ever wondered if hidden cameras might be watching you in your hotel or Airbnb? These cameras could be hiding in places you'd never expect. In today's video, I'll show you 4 simple ways to detect hidden cameras and protect your privacy. Characteristics and common locations of hidden cameras. Before we start searching, let's understand some characteristics of hidden cameras. Small size. Hidden cameras are usually very small and might be concealed in tiny holes. Highly disguised. They are often disguised as everyday objects, such as smoke detectors, air vents, routers, tissue boxes, power outlets, or clothing hooks. Require power and Wi-Fi. Most hidden cameras need power and Wi-Fi to record and transmit video, so they are often placed near power outlets or sources. Additionally, think like a perpetrator. Where would they place a camera? Bathrooms and bedrooms are often the primary areas to check due to their high level of privacy. 4 methods to detect hidden cameras. Physical inspection. The first method is physical inspection. Spend about 10 to 15 minutes carefully checking the room, especially private areas like the bathroom and bedroom. Let me walk you through some specific items to focus on and how to inspect them. Smoke detectors and air vents. These are usually up on the ceiling or above eye level, so they're easy to miss. Grab a flashlight and shine it on them. Look for any extra holes or spots that reflect light. Routers and power outlets. These are typically near power sources. Take a closer look to see if there are any strange holes, asymmetrical designs, wires or parts that don't seem to belong there. Tissue boxes and clothing hooks. These everyday items can sometimes be modified to hide cameras, especially if they look more complicated than usual. Check for hidden lenses or unusual openings. Alarm clocks. Alarm clocks are one of the most overlooked items, but they're a popular disguise for hidden cameras. Take a close look at the front and sides of the clock, especially near the display screen, for small holes or lens reflections. The key here is to trust your instincts. If something looks off, like extra holes, weird designs, or reflections, it's worth taking a closer look because it might just be a hidden camera. Method 2. Use a flashlight or lens detector. The lenses of hidden cameras can reflect light, making a flashlight or lens detector particularly useful. Turn off the lights in the room and shine a flashlight on suspicious areas. If there's a lens, you might see a reflection. A lens detector emits a specific type of light, and when it detects a lens reflection, the device's lights will blink, helping you locate the camera quickly. Method 3. Wi-Fi network scanning. Most hidden cameras connect to Wi-Fi for remote viewing. You can download Wi-Fi scanning apps to check for any unknown or strangely named devices connected to the Wi-Fi in your room. If you find an unfamiliar device, it could be a hidden camera. Method 4. Use a radio frequency RF detector. An RF detector can pick up signals from hidden cameras and alert you with a beep. However, before using it, unplug all electronic devices in the room, such as kitchen appliances, Wi-Fi routers, and TVs, to minimize false alarms. What to do if you find a hidden camera? If you find a hidden camera, follow these steps. Avoid touching or moving the camera. Take clear photos or videos of the camera, its location, and the surrounding area. Report the discovery to local law enforcement immediately. If you're staying in a rental or Airbnb, notify the host and the platform promptly. That's all for today's video. I hope these methods help you protect your privacy. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you next time!